So, good day everyone. So, we have example here, adding fractions in a whole number. So, let's start solving. The title is adding fractions. So, we have the example here, similar and dissimilar fractions. So, the number one is similar fractions, which is the denominator is parehas sila. So, i-add sila, then numerator 3 plus 1 is 4. Then copy the common denominator. So, mag-reduce siya to lowest term, which is 4. So, ang 4, i-divide siya sa 4. Then, ang 8, i-divide siya sa 4. Then, 4 divide 4 is 1. And 8 divide 4 is 2, which is the answer is 1 half. So, we continue solving example number 2. 1/5 plus 2/3. 5 is prime number. So, dili siya direct into add because the denominator is not the same. This whole number is called dissimilar fractions. Use LCD. So, magamit tag less common denominator para makuha yung answer. So, mag-times dire, then mag-plus dire para makuha niya ang answer. So, way to get LCD. Use lasting method or a prime factorization. So, 5 multiply by 2 is 10. Then, ang 3 is makuha nimo siya sa 3 times 1. Number 2 is called first numerator. Then 3 is the second numerator. Then, para makuha nimo ang denominator is multiply lang ang 5 sa 3. 5 multiply by 3, which is 15. So, dili na dayon tas sa second numerator mag-add. 3 plus 10 is equal 13. Then, copy the denominator. So, that's it.